guys, and welcome back to Sandra's Beanie Boos. Just as a reminder, please check out my other channel, Sandra's Babies. And today we have 4 Beanie Boos with us. And since Beanie Boos are stuffed animals, and since this is a stuffed animal, I thought I could open it on this channel. I think they're called Cutetitos and Series 5, and I think they used to be wrapped in taco wraps, but now they're wrapped in pizza wraps. So I'm really excited to open this. And I got it from Target. Let's see. There we go. So it's wrapped in a pizza, part like this and part like this. So all you have to do is get the part that's paper off, and then it's wrapped in a pizza. And you can already see the face. It's so cute. And then you can unwrap. And it's a cute little puppy. And what does this say the name is?
Pepperito. Extra cheesy.
His name is Pepperito. Or her name, or whatever. And look, it even looks like a pizza. Isn't that cool? Okay. It's so cute. So, I hope you guys like this video. Bye, guys. Please subscribe and check out my other channel, Sandra's Babies, too. Bye.